More than 20 common action verbs in English. Sweep the floor. I'll sweep the floor after dinner.
I can help if you pass me the broom.
Clean the window. I need to clean the window today.
Shall I get the cleaning supplies?
Scrub the floor. I need to scrub the floor in the kitchen.
Do you want me to help with that task?
Mop the floor. The floor needs a good mopping.
I'll empty the bucket for you.
Vacuum the carpet. I'll vacuum the carpet in the living room.
I'll move the furniture for you.
Dust. I need to dust the shelves.
Shall I get the duster for you?
Take out the trash. I'll take out the trash before it overflows.
I'll tie up the bag for you.
Clean up. Let's clean up the mess in the living room.
I'll grab the trash bin.
Go to the store. I have to go to the store for groceries.
Need me to make a shopping list.
Clean the bathroom. I'll clean the bathroom this afternoon.
Do you need any cleaning products?
Set the table. I'll set the table for dinner.
I'll bring the plates and cutlery.
Clear the table. I'll clear the table after dinner.
I'll take care of the plates and glasses.
Do the dishes. I'll do the dishes tonight.
I'll dry and put them away.
Dry the dishes. I'll dry the dishes you washed.
I'll help and put them in the cabinets.
Load the dishwasher. I'll load the dishwasher after dinner.
I'll scrape off the plates for you.
Do the laundry. I need to do the laundry tomorrow.
I'll sort the clothes by color.
Hang clothes. I'll hang the clothes on the line.
Shall I get the clothespins for you?
Do the ironing. I'll do the ironing this afternoon.
Do you want me to set up the ironing board?
Fold clothes. I'll fold the clothes from the dryer.
I'll mash the socks while you fold.
Make the bed. I'll make the bed before leaving.
Shall I straighten the pillows?
Change the sheets. I'll change the sheets this weekend.
I'll help you put on the new ones.
Water the plants. I'll water the plants this morning.
Do you need the watering gun?
Feed the pets. I'll feed the pets before I go out.
I'll refill their water bowls too.
Mow the lawn. I'll mow the lawn this Saturday.
I'll help by clearing the garden tools.